Hello pet lovers, and welcome back to another episode of Pet Care with Ellie the Vet. I'm Ellie, a New Zealand vet, and this is Millie helping me out with today's episode. Today we're going to talk about something really important for your pet's health, but it's something that's often overlooked, and that is brushing their teeth. Just like us humans, pets can suffer dental disease too, but unlike us, they can't brush their teeth themselves, and that is where you come in. And don't worry, it's not too hard. I'm going to show you how. Dental disease in dogs can lead to serious health problems, loss of teeth, pain when they're chewing, and even more serious medical concerns. And brushing your teeth regularly helps remove plaque and tartar, and can also help to avoid these more serious medical issues. Let's dive into these further so we really know how we're helping our best friend. Firstly, there's periodontal disease. It starts with plaque buildup underneath the gum line, and then it causes inflammation and destruction of tissue, so the teeth become wobbly and they can even fall out. Poor oral hygiene is also linked to other health conditions like diabetes and heart disease. The heart and liver are especially prone to developing infection and inflammation because of poor dental care. In severe cases, poor dental health can even lead to a broken jaw. Dental infections can cause bacteremia. This is where bacteria from your mouth spread to other distant areas of the body like the liver or kidneys and cause infection and inflammation. You can help your pet by regularly brushing their teeth, which has a huge positive effect on their dental health. And guess what? Brushing your dog's teeth is not as hard as you might think. With a little patience, a little time, and the right tools, this can become a positive bonding session for you and your pet, and a part of their regular routine. Firstly, you'll need a dog toothbrush and some dog toothpaste. Remember, don't use human toothpaste on your pet because it can cause problems. Choosing the right toothbrush and the right toothpaste can be overwhelming when there's so many options out there. But don't worry, I'm going to help you choose the right toothpaste and the right toothbrush for your dog. Let's start with toothbrushes. The best toothbrush for your dog depends on their size and comfort level. For smaller dogs or puppies, a finger brush can work well, and for larger dogs, a long-handled brush can help reach those back teeth. Some brushes have a double end with a large and a small head, so you can choose what works best for your dog. And regardless of the type, do make sure the bristles are soft to avoid damaging your dog's gums. Now, onto toothpaste. Never use a human toothpaste for your dogs, as it can be harmful. Instead, look for a toothpaste formulated specifically for dogs. Dog toothpastes come in different flavors like mint, poultry, and beef. Try several of these to find out which one your dog prefers. Remember, brushing your dog's teeth is an important part of their overall health, so find a brush and toothpaste that both you and your dog are comfortable with. Start by letting your dog taste the toothpaste. This helps them get used to the flavour. Start by gently touching their mouth and giving them a treat. Repeat this over a few days until they seem comfortable. Next, lift your dog's lip to expose their teeth and gums. Be gentle and make sure your dog is comfortable. Some dogs may be nervous about having their mouth checked. In this case, please take care not to get bitten. Simply discontinue this activity and contact your regular vet for advice. You may also try some of the alternatives to toothbrushing that we discuss later in this video. Now, using the toothbrush, start brushing your dog's teeth in a circular motion. Start with only 1 or 2 teeth being brushed initially while your dog becomes accustomed to this new experience. Each time you brush their teeth, gradually increase the number of teeth brushed. Once your pet is accepting having their teeth brushed, make sure to reach all of their teeth, especially the ones at the back. After brushing, reward your dog with a treat. And that's it. With patience and consistency, brushing your dog's teeth can become a simple part of their daily routine. Ideally, your dog's teeth will be brushed every day. If this is not achievable, at least aim for 2 or 3 times a week and combine this with some of the other non-brushing pet forget to check their teeth. Your pet's teeth and gums should be checked at least once a year by your veterinarian for early signs of problems and to keep your pet's mouth healthy. However, some breeds might require more frequent checkups. For instance, small breeds like Yorkies and Chihuahuas, and brachycephalic breeds like Pugs and Frenchies. These dogs may require cleanings once every 6 months because their teeth can have shallow roots and they have dental problems that come along with this, including overcrowding and dental deformities. Your veterinarian can provide extra treatments for your dog's teeth, including scaling away any hardened calcified tartar. This stuff is like concrete that is too hard to remove with a toothbrush. Scaling is done under an anaesthetic, as the scaler needs to work underneath the gum line where the dental disease does its dirty work. This procedure is vital for your dog's gum health and cannot be done thoroughly or comfortably for your dog without an anaesthetic. Remember, regular vet checkups are important for your dog's health. Your vet will help keep your pet's teeth clean and check them for any signs of other health issues. So that's all for today, folks. Remember, a little care can go a long way to ensuring your pet's health. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow along so you don't miss more pet health tips from Ellie the Vet. Until next time, keep those tails wagging.